If you're wondering which software, Kashoo versus Wave, has the better tax settings, you've come to the right place. These are two popular accounting tools that small business owners turn to for managing their finances, but how do they stack up when it comes to tax features? That's what we're diving into today. First off, let's talk about Kashoo's tax features. Kashoo is a great tool for simple bookkeeping, and its tax features are designed for small businesses that don't need overly complicated tax setups. It offers tax tracking based on the categories you define, so you can easily categorize your expenses and income with the correct tax settings. You also have the option to set sales tax rates manually, and it does a decent job at calculating your tax obligations when you generate reports. But there's one catch: Kashoo doesn't have automatic tax rate integration for different states or countries. So, if you're working across various regions, this could be a bit tedious, and it might require a little extra time to keep things up to date. Next, Wave's tax settings are a little more robust in some areas. Wave is free to use, and its tax settings are straightforward, allowing users to easily set tax rates for sales and expenses. What sets Wave apart is the automatic integration with Canadian and US tax rates. This makes it a lot easier if you're in either country, since the tax rates automatically update based on your location. Wave also offers sales tax reporting, which is a nice touch for small businesses that need to stay compliant. However, like Kashoo, Wave's tax settings can feel basic. There's no built-in system for tax deductions or tracking more complex tax scenarios, which could be a limitation for businesses with more complicated needs. The third thing to consider is the reporting capabilities. Kashoo offers good tax reports, but it's pretty limited in terms of customization. You can generate simple tax reports, but if you need detailed breakdowns for things like deductions or specific types of expenses, it's not as robust as some other options. Wave does better here, offering not just sales tax reports, but also detailed income and expense breakdowns that can be useful come tax season. But again, it's not perfect for complex tax setups, and it's not as feature-rich as some paid alternatives when it comes to detailed reporting. Next thing to think about is ease of use. Kashoo's tax settings are fairly easy to set up, but as your business grows, they can feel a bit basic and rigid. Wave, on the other hand, is also user-friendly and pretty intuitive, especially with its free version. But like Kashoo, Wave lacks a lot of the flexibility that larger businesses or those with complex tax needs might require. Finally, if you're looking for the best tax features, you might be wondering, what's the best alternative? After testing both Kashoo and Wave, while they're both solid options for smaller businesses, they fall short if you're looking for more advanced tax tools. And if your goal is to have better tax tracking, reporting, and integration, I'd highly recommend checking out the tool I use. There's a free trial available through the first link in the description, and by using it, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to my viewers. These software tools are good, but if you want to take your tax management to the next level, make sure to give the alternative a try.